A miracle archaeological discovery at Patna has caught the attention of historians as well as the devotees. In Narayan Babu locality of Patna city, under layers of soil, a 1,000 years old Shiva temple was unearthed. This find is not only adding to the historic importance of the region, but thousands of devotees also throne this marvel a testament to Pala dynasty art. Experts believe that the temple belongs to the Pala dynasty, a period when Bihar was flourishing in the 8th and 10th centuries. The expert, renowned archaeologist and retired professor of Patna University, Jaydev Mishra, called this temple unique among the remaining relics of the Pala period. He stated, "This temple appears to belong to the Pala era. During their reign, Shaivism and Vaishnavism thrived under royal patronage. The tradition of constructing Gomukh water outlets began in this period." Architectural highlights of the temple. The temple is constructed using Lahori bricks, known for their thin and durable structure. 4 entrances. The temple has 4 doors, 2 of which remain sealed. Shiva Ling and Vishnu's feet. A Shivaling and footprints of Lord Vishnu reside inside the temple. Such an arrangement is rarely seen in Indian temple architecture. Gomukh water discharge. The system of water drainage reveals the architectural brilliance of the Pala period. Monolithic stone design. The smaller shrine inside the main temple is carved out of a single block of black stone. Discovery and current status. The temple was discovered during the excavation of an old house. Local residents cleaned the site and have been managing its upkeep, but the increasing number of visitors has made crowd managing challenging. Local resident Ravi shared, "This is unique temple. We clean the site, but managing such a large crowd is beyond our capacity. The district administration should step in to help." Another resident, Rajesh, mentioned the temple was once adorned with 5 kilograms of gold, which is now missing. This structure is one of a kind in the entire country. Administrative response. Acknowledging the influx of devotees, local authorities have deployed police forces to manage the crowd. Sultanganj police station in charge, Ajay Kumar, stated, "We are working to manage the large number of visitors." Additionally, police forces have been deployed to ensure safety and order. Questions arising from the discovery. This significant find has sparked several important questions. Will the temple receive proper preservation and recognition? What contributions will this discovery make to Indian history? Will the government declare this site a national heritage landmark? The discovery of this ancient Shiva temple in Patna has added a new chapter to India's historical and cultural legacy. As a testament to the architectural and religious traditions of Pala dynasty, it has the potential to become a prominent site for devotees and historians. The bigger question remains, will this priceless relic be preserved and celebrated as it deserves?
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.